Okay, I am ready. A little unboxing. I think I already did the unboxing. Don't need the knife. So, here's what I got. A couple of things for the RV. I went on the shakedown. In the bathroom, we have this toilet, shower, all-in-one, and not enough space to put everything. Don't want to drill holes in the waterproof wall. So I found this on Amazon, which it looks like it's white plastic. It's got a little design to it, and then what you've got is you put this on the wall, you adhere this to the wall, and then it slides into this thing. I'm just hoping that it doesn't go too far, but I guess you get 2 tries. I guess that's what. So envision sink, shelf. It seems much bigger than what I was thinking it's going to be. Bought one. Have 2 spots, one above the sink and one on the other side behind the toilet. But you know, maybe this size really does work. Have a lot of big items, or an extra roll of toilet paper or something could fit in this. So this looks like, it's called the Bathroom Shelf Organized Wall Mount No Drilling Sunficon Company adhesive. Sounds good until you can't get it off, because you got to pull the right way. Got to put it back in its case. Not expensive. So that's one thing. Second thing we got is these cabinet locks. It comes in a 4-pack. I have 2 drawers within a cupboard that there's like an inch of room. It's like an inch of room that when you turn a corner, the drawer hits the outer door. And so you've got this banging of the drawer that happens because it slides out. And it could be, it doesn't matter amount of weight that's in the drawer, just the drawer automatically does it. So you get 4 of these things. And let's just take it all the way out. They're so clear. But let's just take a look at this. You know, they've got the adhesive on the back, and pretty much what happens is, oh, I get it. So you're gonna adhesive it on. There's a, if you look at this, you push this up, and therefore it's going to release. It's going to release. So this one falls out. So you can unhitch it and do the drawer. Now, I guess what I have to make sure is that this round circle is well within the other cabinet, and then put 2 on and make sure they're somewhat level. But looks like an easy fit, and I don't mind that these are plastic. I also don't mind they're hidden. You've got the main cabinet before the drawers, so this will just firm it up. You'll do the latch, you'll move it off, and you'll be able to open the door. The other option was to get some big, thick more like a sticky, what you might see on a floor pad or a cushion to meet the distance so the drawer would just come out. But I think I'm going to try this after 3 years of listening to that door bang. What I have been doing is sticking a Velcro box in between the outer and inner door, but when I ever forget that Velcro box, the door bangs. So this looks like I only have 2 drawers to do it to. I got a 4-pack. I did not see anything smaller. So there's 2 quick items for the RV. And a little unboxing. I got the knife out, but a little too late. UPS showed up, and I already took it out of the packaging, which was too easy to do. And I'm not very good at this knife stuff. Hey, 2 little projects. Let's put it in the van.